If you don't know what the VEG ringtone is, it's more than just a ringtone. Looking good in the VEG. You can buy the shirt, but not the girl. If you don't know what it is, by the time you leave here tonight, you'll definitely know. It's more than just a ringtone. It's a movement, an energy, a spirit. And like I said, if you don't know by the time you leave tonight what you're gonna feel in this room by these amazing artists.
So hey, black sister, do you mind if I take your hand? Once they see me with you, they're gonna know that I'm a blessed black man.
The camaraderie and the love and the unity that's brought together under the VEG ringtone.
You understand what I'm saying? All he wanted me to do was just show love and spread the love and keep sharing whatever he posts, you feel me? Keep hitting the like button, keep commenting, and keep rocking with your boy.
You will definitely understand tonight. I have the honor of introducing my wonderful friend who actually started the VEG ringtone. He's the CEO of this whole movement.
We making changes, we making moves in Vegas. Stay positive, believe in yourself, follow your dreams.
I've known him since middle school. He's always been an awesome guy. Very close to my brother. I don't know a man who loves the Las Vegas community more than this individual. And if you guys know Mike, I'm pretty sure you would agree.
VEG Ringtone. Make sure you download it. Make sure you go to the VEGringtone.club, order you some apparel. So we put it in. It's Vegas. Represent. All my Vegas people stand up.
Stand up.
Vegas takeover, man. Shout out to my boy the VEG. So let's go. Shea Sports. Fans Ringtone. You can't forget the fans Ringtone. It's everywhere.